Welcome to this tutorial. Welcome to Softouch Design. Today I want to teach you how to remove background in CorelDRAW very easy. So let's dive in straight. Let's create a new page from here. Then let's go to, we'll pick a picture that I want to remove its background. For instance, this picture, I want to remove the background. So let's copy, bring it to our new page. Let's paste, let's scale to, as you can see from here. So go straight to, this is the B-spline. I prefer the B-spline because of its curved edges. Pick it, then zoom nicely. From here, try to trace on and on like this. In this process, as you move, be very careful as you move. Let's do it gradually. As it's curved, see the curve. It curves like this. Let it curve. Let it curve a bit. Slow, steady. Let it curve. It's curving slowly, moving like this. If you move, it's moving. Let's undo. Gradually, keep going, keep going. Let's see, you see the hair. This is the ear, the hair side. And able to see. Let's see, the B-spline can curve better than the pen tool. So stick around to watch how we do this to the finish line. Endeavor not to miss any part of this video. For you to go back, you can press your backspace. Let's wait for it. Yes, let's wait for it. Like this, on and on and on. It's coming down. This is the progress file. As you can see from here. Okay. Yep. We are close to the end of removing this background. And then from here. So right now, you can double click to uncheck it out. Then join it here and then go round. Go round. And then join here. Next, you select this and press shift and select the image. Then come to intersect. Then sorry, you press shift, come to trim, move away. Then as you can see, the picture has been trimmed. So for you to remove, let it not be too sharp. Click on the image from here, then click on feather, click on blur, click on filter, then take it to 1, enter. Or let's make it 2. Click on enter, so that it's not that too sharp. It should blend together with every background that you want to. So remove it. Now you can use it. You can use this picture on your any of your design that you want to use. So thank you so much, and endeavor to click on the subscribe button and support us. Thank you, and we'll see you in our next video.